Introducing the Realme 10 in elegant black. Powered by a MediaTek Helio G99 octa-core processor for seamless performance. The phone features 8GB RAM for smooth and efficient performance. It runs on Android 12 with Realme UI 3.0 for a user-friendly experience. The battery capacity is 5000 mAh for long-lasting usage. It offers diverse connectivity options including 4G 4G Volt, LTE, 3G to G GSM, and WCDMA. Large 16.26 cm, 6.4-inch, Full HD Plus display for an immersive visual experience. Capture stunning photos with a 50-megapixel rear camera and 16-megapixel front camera. With a dual camera setup, this product offers high-quality images for all your photography needs. Uncover and explore the invaluable customer ratings for the product, providing insightful feedback and opinions to guide your decision-making process.